Hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my very simple and easy method of how to make rice and peas. It's very easy to make, so if you're ready, come along and let's get cooking. Very quickly, I'm using 3 cups of rice. Use any rice of your choice. It doesn't matter which type of rice you like. I'm going to simply wash this rice about 5 to 6 times until the water comes absolutely clean and clear. Now once the rice is clean and clear, I'm going to simply throw it straight into my pot. I'm adding 2 stock cubes, and I'm going to be using canned coconut milk. Now we all know that freshly squeezed coconut milk is the best. However, I wasn't in the mood today, so canned coconut milk it is. I'm going to throw this straight into my pot, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Add a bit of salt to taste, some fresh thyme, and 1 whole scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'm using red kidney beans for this recipe. I'm using the canned one, which is already pre-cooked. At this point, I like to put just the juice from the red kidney beans because it adds a very nice dark rich color to the rice. We'll leave the beans for later on. So I'm going to simply mix everything together just to make sure all the flavors are well combined. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to simply cover the pot and I'm going to allow it to cook for a few minutes. Now after just a few minutes, I'm going to just check to make sure there's no burning, but I'm going to reduce my fire to a very low heat and just cook it for a total of about 15 to 17 minutes. Just take a look at that. The rice is perfectly cooked in just about 15 to 17 minutes. I'm going to simply take out the stock and the chili from the rice. I'm going to throw in my red kidney beans and I'm going to simply gently mix everything together. So this entire process took just under 20 minutes from start to finish. So I find this is a very quick and simple method of how to make rice and peas. The rice is perfectly cooked and nice and fluffy. Now once you've thoroughly mixed your rice and you're absolutely satisfied, just simply serve it with any stew of your choice. Today I'm serving my rice and peas with my absolutely delicious turkey stew. I'll leave the recipe out there in the future. Remember to click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't already and you're new to the family, welcome. Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll definitely see you again next week with another video and another recipe. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.